The frame tool. You might have observed a new addition into the toolbar. You can now create placeholders, frames for images in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. If you are a designer or you have designed the website previously, you might be familiar with this term. You use the placeholder to add images into your web page. Now Adobe has introduced the same in Photoshop, and by the way, this is for easy masking in Photoshop. If you are planning to design brochures or any other material in Photoshop, you will enjoy this feature. Now you do not need to add the dummy images. Just reserve the place through those placeholders and design the artwork. And at later stage, you can add the images in it. How this tool works? Let's discuss this now. Let's start work on it. So we are going to design a small leaflet, just the dummy one, just to tell you that how to add the placeholders and how to add the images in this one. Let me type something over here. Suppose that this is a leaflet. Let me copy and paste this text. And I bring the same text over here as well. Now if you see that this is the Photoshop toolbar, and I can see the placeholder over here. The same icon is in the Dreamweaver as well. Let me add this over here. And one over here. So I'm going to add the two images in this artwork. Sometimes you are working on the artwork and you do not have the images. Don't worry about this one. Just use this placeholder and keep the place empty. So later on when the images are decided, so you can place over there. How to place the images? Let me explain you for that. For example, I select this image. I copy and paste the image. I'm going to the layer. First of all, I will add the image on this layer. I clicked on this box and then paste. See, the images get into this placeholder automatically. I can resize the images. I can also resize the placeholder, the box. First of all, I will tell you how to resize the image. See, it works like a masking in Photoshop. See this? The placeholder masks the image. Now let me increase the size. See this, how easily I can move my image in this placeholder. You can also increase or decrease the size of the placeholder. Okay, first of all, let me one more image on this box. For example, I want to use this image. I just click on it. Now I click on it and then I paste it. See, that is the same story. Doesn't matter you click over here or there. The image will get into the placeholder. So I'm going to resize the image here as well. I'm moving my image to adjust what exactly I'm trying to show that in this placeholder. Now the question is about how I will reduce the size of the placeholder. Very simple. Just click on this one first and reduce the size. See this? It is not stretching the image. It is just masking the image area. Now see this. See this, it is just masking the image area. So let me increase it further. For example, this is now my requirement to increase the size further. So I am going to remove this text from my artwork. And I selected this box, or I will click on it and to select this box and increase the size. Accordingly, now I will adjust the image size. Here you go. See how easy it is to use the frame tool. Thanks to Adobe Photoshop to introduce this in Adobe Photoshop as well. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you like it, please do not forget to press the like button and subscribe for my upcoming videos.